atmosphere in Japan turned tense on Friday, the 5th of September 2025. Tropical Storm Peipah, known as Typhoon No. 15, struck the land of the rising sun with tremendous force. In the early hours, strong winds and heavy rain swept through Kochi Prefecture, particularly in the city of Tsukuba. Waves several meters high pounded the coast, while the rumble of thunder accompanied the darkness of the night. Just a few hours later, the storm made landfall again, this time in Wakayama. This double landfall brought even heavier rainfall across the Tokai and Kanto regions. Throughout the day, reports of floods, landslides, and overflowing rivers came one after another. In Shizuoka Prefecture, the city of牧之原was among the hardest hit. Tornado-like winds tore off roofs, uprooted trees, and damaged power lines. That night, thousands of families were left in darkness, while more than 250 buildings were reported damaged. Preliminary data indicated at least 27 people were injured. 6 houses were destroyed, and dozens more were heavily damaged. Cries and panic echoed through evacuation centers as thousands of residents were forced to abandon their homes. In Kamakura, nearly 50,000 people were ordered to evacuate. Meanwhile, in Yokohama, emergency sirens called thousands of residents to leave before the storm reached its peak. The impact also crippled transportation. The Tokaido Shinkansen, the main rail line connecting Tokyo and Osaka, was suspended. Thousands of passengers were stranded at stations. Some even spending the night on trains turned into makeshift hotels. In the air, dozens of flights were canceled. Hundreds of passengers at Haneda Airport were unable to continue their journeys. By nightfall, the storm had moved northeast and transformed into an extratropical cyclone over the Pacific Ocean. Though weakened, its remnants remained dangerous. Saturated soil posed landslide risks, rivers were still overflowing, and strong local winds could strike at any moment. Peipah left behind deep scars. Thousands of people evacuated, hundreds of buildings were damaged, transportation networks paralyzed, and power outages spread across many areas. For Japan, this storm served as a reminder that typhoon season is far from over. and vigilance must remain high. Tropical Storm Peipah, a test of nature, once again showing just how fragile human life is in the face of the Earth's power.